Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is Morning Glory Muffins. Right, we're going to whisk our oil. And our eggs. And vanilla. We'll whisk that until it's all incorporated. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Then we're going to add our grated carrots, our grated apples, our pineapple, crushed pineapple, coconut, walnuts, and raisins. And we're going to stir that all together. You could substitute raisins instead of raisins if you like. Then we're going to add our sugar to our flour in a separate bowl, and our baking soda and our salt and our cinnamon. And we're going to stir that all together. You could also add ginger if you like. Now we're going to add some of the flour mixture to our wet mixture. And we're just going to stir that until the flour is all mixed in. Now this batter will get very thick, and that's okay. Add more flour. Stir that up. Then we'll add the rest of the flour. And we'll incorporate all of that. This muffin batter makes between 16 to 18 muffins. I've greased my muffin tin, and then we are going to fill up the cups. You can line your muffin tins if you choose. If you line your muffin tins, you might want to spray the liners as well. Please comment below, and I'll respond to all your comments. We'll place them in our 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.